Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's 18 degrees outside, so I am currently in my garage and my car is parked in my garage. And it is parked in the garage sometimes during the winter, but I got these things here. I'm gonna show you what this is, and this gives me the ability to park outside without janking up my wire of my charging cable. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is and how it works. So I got two of these. So one's there, I'll show you guys the difference here in a second. Okay, here we go. So you see these are both little rubber sleeves, and one has a bigger place for a wire, and this one here is one for a smaller wire. So you'll see the charger that I have over here. This one out here. This one here is a monster wire, right? You see how big and huge that one is. And then there's another one here. I've got chargers everywhere. This one here is a little smaller, right? So depending on which charger I'm using and stuff like that outside, I have the ability to put this around it, and then what it'll do is it'll protect it from my garage door when the garage goes down. So I'm gonna put one of these on. I'm gonna try this big, huge one here right now. Obviously you wouldn't be putting it on this close to the, what's that called, the nozzle? But you get the idea. So the sleeve goes on like that, and it just gives it extra protection, so that will be the part that goes under my garage door. So when the garage goes down, it'll hit this, and it won't be just hitting the wire and stuff like that. So if there's anything, scratching it up or whatever like that, it'll do. But you see this one here, so for the big, huge wire, this fits like almost perfectly. It's freezing out here, so it's not completely sealed, but it will when it's straight, so that's it. And it's very flexible, so it comes off and on fairly easy, but not too easy. And then the big one here, and then the little one here. You see, if I put the big one on this one here, I'll show you. I'll put the big one on this. The wire's so cold now. But you see, it just slides too easy, so it wouldn't really stay still. So then, got this one here. So then this will go on as such. And it's only hard for me to put on right now because it's so cold, but you see, and it kind of seals up and it doesn't slide down or anything like that. So this will stay under the garage door, and I'll be able to charge my car out on the driveway without making up all sorts of marks and stuff. So how cool is that? So I get these two little sections here. Each one's about maybe 8 or 10 inches or so. So super cool. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on these. I'll be using these as I start parking my car outside more when it warms up a little bit. So awesome.